Hey party people, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Puncube Mech Wallet, a minimalist wallet that combines sleek design with mechanical innovation. Let's see if this could be your next everyday carry essential. The Mech Wallet boasts a slim profile, measuring in at just 0.31 inches thick and weighing in at 2 ounces. Crafted from space-grade 6063 aluminum, it offers durability without the bulk. Its compact size makes it perfect for front pocket carry, ensuring comfort and convenience. What sets the Mech Wallet apart is its unique card deployment system. It offers a fidget-friendly experience while providing quick access to your cards. Simply push, and your cards fan out for every selection. Despite its slim design, the Mech Wallet holds up to 6 cards securely. It also features RFID blocking technology, protecting your information from electronic theft. For those who carry cash or additional cards, Puncube offers accessories like a money clip that I have attached here, a bifold attachment, and even a MagSafe compatible option that are sold separately. The Mech Wallet comes in various styles and colors, including Wasteland, Horizon, and Ripple, with finishes like Mine, Abyss, and Desert. This allows you to choose a wallet that matches your personal style while enjoying the wallet's functional benefits. If I push up here, you can see the way the cards fan out, and I have a bunch of cards here like my identification, some gift cards, and I would suggest that you put your most used card at the back so that it is easily accessible and it's the first one and the highest in the list so that you can pull it out and put it back in very easily. I really like how satisfying it is to click this in and push it back down, and it makes it really easy to reach your cards inside. So I think that this is a nice little functional feature, and the mechanical operation feels really good and fidgety. It makes a nice satisfying click sound, as you can hear. And I really like the way that this overall functions. Users have praised the Mech Wallet for its build quality, as you can see with this nice aluminum, and it feels heavy and really well built and durable. And the tactile satisfaction of its mechanisms. Pressing it in and pushing it back down feels really good. You feel the clicking motion, it sounds nice, and it's very fidget friendly. Some have noted a slight learning curve with the deployment system, which I don't really understand because it's super easy to use, so I would definitely not have that feedback. But overall, it enhances the user experience, making routine tasks like accessing your cards more enjoyable when you need to quickly pull this out of your pocket, pull out a card, put it back in, and close it up. You have it in a secure, nice place that's very fun to play with. In summary, the Puncube Mech Wallet is a well-crafted minimalist wallet that offers both style and functionality. Its unique mechanisms and slim design make it a standout choice for anyone looking to upgrade their everyday carry. If you're interested in a wallet that combines innovation with practicality, the Mech Wallet is worth considering. Please leave a comment below if you have any other minimalist wallets that you'd want to recommend or you'd want me to review, and I'll definitely check them out. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like videos like this and you want to see more of them because it really helps the channel out. And I really appreciate everyone for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing already, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Take care.